Now that you have your wall removed for your bathroom, you need to take your appropriate measurements and transfer them onto the floor of where you want your new wall and the new dimensions of your bathroom to be. So here, you can see we have cut back our floor already, but what you need to do is once you take your new measurements is for this old flooring, you don't want it to be built under the wall, you want to cut it back so that you can build your wall directly down onto the plywood floor. So what you have to do is mark out the measurements of your wall for the distance of your new bathroom size, and then you can use a skill saw with a cabinetry blade, or you can use a flush cutting saw and make a straight line on your floor and use a guide to cut right along that line perfectly so that you have a nice straight line. If it's off by just a little bit, that's okay, because here we'll also have our baseboards and our drywall, which will give us a couple centimeters or about an inch more that if we kind of mess up our floor cutting, it won't be too bad. But generally you want it to be fairly close to perfect. So now that we have cut our floor back, we're going to take our measurements for our new wall plates. We'll cut them, we'll come back, and then I'll show you how to get the measurements for your studs.